Welcome to Alarms Response Assistant, developed by Process Imaging Enhancement, PI. We hope this short video can answer your questions regarding Alarms Response Assistant application. A.R.A was developed to fill in the gaps between GMP equipment, documentation and technician experience. Having a broad range of experienced mechanics working with new equipment means everyone is at the same level in regards to familiarity with your manufacturing equipment. How can the learning curve be accelerated effectively? Alarms Response Assistant is the answer. When an alarm is searched in the application, Alarms Response Assistant provides equipment-specific alarms text information, such as alarm activated, what caused the alarm, suggested repair information, and a 3D graphic of the equipment that the alarm pertains to. One powerful feature is the View Problem Location. This feature provides end users an exact location of the component that has activated the alarm for quick responsive personnel. Additionally, users can interact with the components to obtain information regarding component identification, part number, model number and technical drawings that the application's logic makes available that are relevant to the activated alarm, such as an electrical drawing or user manual. Users can manipulate the 3D model for better view of the location of components and hide the user interface to obtain a full screen experience. Another powerful feature of A.R.A is the Add Repair Info. Users can save repairs information, creating a knowledge base repository. When a previous alarm is searched again by a different mechanic or engineer from a different work shift, the application provides the end users with a notification that information is available for the particular alarm. This application is fully customizable to your manufacturing equipment, such as vial washers, parts washers, autoclaves, sterilizers, spray dryers, process tanks, fillers, cappers, freeze dryers and all packaging equipment. This application is scalable and more equipment can be added when requested. We hope you enjoyed this video and we look forward in providing a piece of pie.